12 benefits of cinnamon tea. Ever wondered how a simple cup of cinnamon tea can improve your health? This delicious drink not only warms you up, but also offers a variety of health benefits that you might not know about. Here are 12 reasons why adding cinnamon tea to your daily routine is a smart choice. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Cinnamon tea is packed with antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. These antioxidants can improve overall health and keep you feeling young. 2. Boosts immunity. Cinnamon has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Drinking cinnamon tea regularly can strengthen your immune system, helping you fight off colds, flu, and other infections. 3. Improves heart health. Research suggests that cinnamon can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglycerides while maintaining good cholesterol, HDL. This can support a healthier heart and reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Regulates blood sugar. Cinnamon is known for its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. For people with type 2 diabetes, cinnamon tea may help control glucose spikes after meals. 5. Aids in weight loss. Cinnamon may boost metabolism and reduce cravings, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. Drinking cinnamon tea can also help control blood sugar, which is essential for weight management. 6. Soothes digestive issues. Cinnamon tea can help soothe bloating, gas, and indigestion. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties that calm your digestive system, making it a great remedy for an upset stomach. 7. Reduces inflammation. Cinnamon contains compounds that reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation can lead to various diseases, so drinking cinnamon tea may help lower your risk of conditions like arthritis. 8. Supports brain function. Cinnamon may help improve cognitive function by increasing brain activity. Some studies suggest that regular consumption of cinnamon could help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 9. Fights infections. Cinnamon's antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties make it a natural defense against infections. Drinking cinnamon tea can help fight off common infections like sore throats and yeast infections. 10. Improves skin health. The antioxidants in cinnamon tea may also benefit your skin. By fighting free radicals and reducing inflammation, cinnamon tea can contribute to a clearer, healthier complexion. 11. Promotes relaxation. The warm, comforting aroma of cinnamon tea can help you relax and unwind. It may also reduce anxiety and improve your mood, making it an ideal drink for stress relief. 12. Supports oral health. Cinnamon has natural antimicrobial properties, which can help reduce bacteria in your mouth. Drinking cinnamon tea may promote better oral hygiene and reduce bad breath. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos like this.